No matter what type of macro you are writing, you always need to start with the comments. The comments are the key elements to understanding any macros from anybody. To write a comment, you need to start by an apostrophe. And here the first step would be define the variables. It is kind of like a standard because if you need variables, then you always need to define them at the beginning anyway. Then in my example here, I want to actually find the value of a variable based on the value of a cell. And finally, I want to display the value of the variable in a message box. So as you can see, I already structured my process by writing those comments. The good thing about this is that afterwards you will just put your variables here and then you will put whatever you need to write to actually make sure that the variable has the value of the specific cell you want, and then you will add the message box here with the variable inside of the message. So this is just when you write a simple code. If you write a more elaborate code, then sometimes you may actually need to look at your file before, meaning that you may need to add some worksheets, for example, like a worksheet for some parameters, like we did for the template Classroom 99. Or you may want to make sure that your data is actually really clean and that your purpose and the purpose of the file is actually really clear. So it's a matter of the first step is a matter of really make sure that you know exactly what you are trying to accomplish, and that will make it way more easier if you know exactly what you want to do and you want to accomplish.